You can tap here to enter the map view. In the map view, you can see the flight route and do some measurements. On the left, you can draw the line or an area on the map. Press L1 to drop a pinpoint in the middle of the map. Long press L1 for pinpoint advanced settings. Let's move to the right part. Tap the information icon to see the Geo-Zone. Tap the locate icon for returning to the location of the controller. Tap the compass icon to lock or unlock the orientation. Tap the layer icon to choose from different maps. Tap the erase icon to clear the flight route. During the flight, you can see the aircraft, gimbal orientation, the controller, the home point in the map view. The blue line between the aircraft and the controller is the smart return to home route. You can see if there are obstacles like buildings or mountains along the way. The white line is the flight route.